9 nights, 9 goddesses, millions of devotees, and one timeless battle between good and evil. But beyond the fasting, dancing, and rituals, what does Navratri really mean? Today, let's explore the story, the symbolism, and the spiritual wisdom of Navratri. Welcome to Dharma and Diplomacy, where ancient wisdom meets global understanding. In this video, we will explore the origins and story behind Navratri, the 9 forms of Goddess Durga, the deeper symbolism of fasting, devotion, and dance, why Navratri still matters in today's world. The story of Navratri. The Asura Mahisasura, a demon who could not be defeated by any man or god, only by a woman. Energy of all gods combined into the fiery divine mother riding a lion holding weapons. Each day, Durga fought Mahisasura's army of demons. On the 10th day, Vijayadashmi, she slayed Mahishasura, making the victory of good over evil. Evil may seem powerful, but arrogance leads to downfall. Divine feminine energy is unstoppable when awakened. The struggle of 9 nights is equal to our own battle with negativity inside us. Each day of Navratri honors a different form of the goddesses. Shailputri, daughter of the mountains, symbol of strength and grounding. Brahmacharini, devoted ascetic, represents discipline and penance. Chandraghanta, warrior goddess, symbol of bravery. Kushmanda, cosmic creator, source of universal energy. Skandamata, mother of Kartikeya, symbol of nourishing love. Katyayani, fiery protector, destroys evil. Kalratri, dark, terrifying form, destroys ignorance and fear. Mahagauri, symbol of purity and serenity. Siddhidatri, giver of powers and wisdom. Together, these 9 forms represent a complete journey, from discipline and devotion to ultimate wisdom and victory. Cleansing the body and mind, reminding us of self-control. Not just dance, they represent the cosmic rhythm of creation, with sticks symbolizing energy of goddess. Each day has a color symbolizing virtue like purity, white, courage, red, wisdom, yellow. Large pandals, idols of Durga, cultural celebrations. Drama of Ramayana performed ending in Ravana Dahan. Homes decorated with dolls symbolizing divine order of the universe. But why does Navratri still matters in 2025? Unity. Millions celebrate across India and abroad, bringing people together. The festival reminds us of the strength of women in society. The demons we fight today are anger, greed, ego, and fear. 9 nights of discipline resets the mind and spirit. Navratri is not just about fasting and celebration. It is about awakening the divine energy inside each of us. Just like Durga defeated Mahisasura, we too can defeat our inner demons. So, what does Navratri mean to you? Comment below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to Dharma and Diplomacy, where we decode India's culture, festivals, and geopolitics in simple English. Thank you.